So give me a sec, guys. Let me plug in my webcam. Just give me a sec. So I'm back, guys. So I'm back. Let me quickly share the links. So if you are just joining, share the link as well. Sorry, guys. I'm just in case you are not watching live, you are watching the replay. Just you can forward to when I start doing analysis. Because right now I'm trying to share the link and make sure everybody joins. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Trying to share the link and make sure everybody joins. Trying to share the link and make sure everybody joins. No, gold is just consolidating, although there have been some possible entries. But most of the guys have been contacting me about gold. I just told them to avoid gold for now because of the way it's moving. Let me show you. You can see, okay, it just broke out of the consolidation here. So that was around 2 a.m. We had that long run. But apart from that, before then it was just in a range. So let me quickly share links. Come on, I'm just waking up. That's why my hair is so rough. That's why my hair is so rough. But that's not really important. What we came here for is to make money. So I'm looking at Euro USD because gold is kind of consolidating, and I've already predicted Euro USD price since last week. So this was part of our predictions that we're going to hit this other block, which we did. We hit it, then we start coming down. Then our target is this low. I mean this weekly gap, not a fair value gap, but a weekly gap where price forms a proper gap. So that is usually drawn by price very well. So that's why we're targeting those areas. See how the buy we caught yesterday. If you look at it on 4 hours, it looks very clean. We caught it on this week. So wow, that's like it has been long I caught something like that, and I caught it live with you guys yesterday. So my head just rough, my eyes swelling. So uh, oh, my screen is not even showing, guys. Sorry. So this is what I was explaining. So this okay. I think something's for me here. Sorry, let me just go to the 15 minutes. We're already late, so I might miss something. Already late, so this is the buy we caught yesterday. Clean, very clean buy. Then we start rejecting off that 4 hour. We started rejecting that 4 hour order block. Maybe is it 4 hour? No. I don't know why these indicators don't come out. Move now. Uh, so we started rejecting the order block. Now we're coming down. So we don't have to find a sell. Sharp one. Okay, this is already a sell, but it's shit. We're not for this sell. It's forming retracement, so I'm sure opportunities will form there. So this is the sell. Um, Stop loss there inside our fair value gap. We're targeting lows, but I've not taken this one. This is just something that I would have taken if I was early enough. So the same thing on 15 minutes. Same thing on 15 minutes. So, but let me see. Let me wait and see what's gonna happen. Because we'll be waiting for this sell since yesterday. I was supposed to get it in the afternoon. I think this was where I would have gotten it in the afternoon. Around there. Yeah. This was where I would have gotten it. That fair value gap. Because you know the normal structure basically is price goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Form a breakout structure or a shifting market structure, then we enter the fair value gap and sell. Same thing is about to happen here. All these points, some people might call that resistance. So there are good points. But the way it's consolidating in this range is what I really don't like. That's why I've not pushed the button right now. I've not pushed that sell button yet. Yeah, yeah. This sell, right? Since yesterday, the sell has already been on. I think we should just look for it. I'm just looking for maybe a sniper. Apart from that, I think I can even go here inside this 15 minutes fair value gap because I'm thinking of waiting for a sniper entry. That's maybe like on the 1 minute or so. Thinking of waiting for a sniper, but let me see. It seems to be ranging inside, like ranging here sideways like this. Even if you have been selling since yesterday, the price is not has not really done much. It has not really done much. Let me check if there is a news coming today. Maybe that's what's going to propel the price going downwards. Gold has really not been friendly these days. It's just not wanting to show proper signs and movement. Every time a good setup forms, usually when I'm sleeping. Yeah, this one's around 11. This one is around 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Let me check if there's a news today. We'll put today. USD. Yeah, there's a news by 1:30. Let me check if there's news on Euro as well. Okay, there's a news today, Sha. So that news might push price downwards. Okay, CPI for card. Yeah, it should be if there's a CPI on card or CHF or anywhere there's a CPI, you should be concerned about it now because CPI it must not be USD before it moves that particular pair. So if the CPI is coming on card, you should check and check for it. See, this is why I'm looking for a sniper entry on Euro USD. Although it's possible to start selling since yesterday, since that point I told you. But now this morning, if we have started selling this year, we would have been getting unnecessary drawdown. So if we can be patient and just wait for like a good sniper, can be patient and wait for a sniper because the way the market is ranging now, it's not too nice. Okay, GBP card. Yeah, I'll do GBP card, but let me quickly. I've not really done a proper analysis on gold. I was just looking at it from my area. Let me just do a quick one on gold. So gold is bullish. We have these highs that we're coming to take out. That one is for sure. is in this week that high will get taken out. So we'll go to the daily time frame on gold. The same thing, we're bullish. Then we'll go to the 4 hours of gold. On the 4 hours, yeah, same thing, bullish. We've already closed above this. Some people might be calling this another block right now, but it's no longer valid. We have closed above 50% of the other block, which means it's invalidated. So you don't have to wait for it to close on like um the top 50% is enough. So let me quickly watch you as well. So yeah, of course above it. Now we're just waiting for retracements and buys. Okay, there's another order block here in the 1 hour. It looks like it's rejecting it. So since it looks like it's rejecting this order block, anything can happen, guys. Like you can start selling. So, but we're more inclined for buys. So what do we wait for? Wait for confirmations for buys or a confirmation for a sell. So let's assuming if we can get below this low, not this low, not this low, but let's say this low with some push, like force, then maybe I'll feel like we're rejecting this other block. We're rejecting that 1 hour order block if we can. Although there's a fair value gap here that we might just tap it and continue up. So I'm not really sure about these lows. I would think these lows, if this low is gets breaking, but hopefully that doesn't happen and we have clean moves. So we'll just wait for structure to break on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So which is already happening here. We'll have one here. We have one here. Then we have a possible order block that price could reject here. So let's see that most times some people can just start buying here like this. Can just start buying here, but I want to, I'm very conservative. I would like to go to the like 1 minute or let's say and wait for my confirmation, which means that if price now moves into that other block or something like this, then I would like to see a break like this before we can go higher. I'll be buying at that point. Yeah. So let me check your USD. Same thing, still moving up. I don't want. I'm waiting for still the same thing on Euro USD. I'm waiting for a confirmation for myself. I'm looking for a sniper. So let me set my alerts on Euro USD for this high. Let me also set an alert for. Let me go down to the 1 minute so that when I'm analyzing the other pairs that you asked, UBP card, I'll be able to know when we have that um, price point taken out. Okay, let me set the alert for here. I think when price reaches here, it's looking to sell. Okay, your USD is really pushing up. You see, if that's why time is very important. If you have entered yesterday, you see yesterday entry here, it's now going back up there and all these things. So I'm still waiting. This alert service, let me shift it up here. Other block OB. I don't know why it's not writing. I said, oh, you know, other block. You can see all these rectangles are usually marked out. The price always like reject from those areas. Like somehow it just rejects. Sorry for the noise. Anyway, sorry for the noise, guys. So the price always reject all day. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let me set an alert here. I think if we go below that area, that means we'll be looking for like sell. Because if I don't have seconds charts, if I have like 1 second, 5 seconds, and you'd have been able to see the structure and enter like a good sniper. If you have like a seconds chart, but I've not gotten that seconds yet. So you said GBP card. Okay, so let's look at GBP card. I like to keep my pairs on like different tabs so that I can easily just switch and switch and switch. You can see that area I marked gold has started with like it's slowing down. It's slowing down around here. That's to show you that a reaction is about to happen. I'll set an alert below this low. Sorry for the noise. So GBP card opener. Mm. Network, why? You can see how it's rejecting. I'm on GBP card doesn't want to open. Oh God. Patience. I've ordered enter sell since for Euro, but sniper. I'm waiting for sniper. Waiting for sniper. That's one thing I think. That's one thing I think I learned from this guy, Lucky Mane. Although he's a synthetic trader, but there's one thing. Uh, are you sure about that? I've done it. I've opened up to like 5 before. It's just my network. I've opened up to like 5. Well, let me see. I don't want to close. I don't want to close the rest. Let me sacrifice gold. Let me try it. Okay, so let's just wait, let me confirm if I have some alerts on gold so that in case we have price, if you have my alerts, I have my alerts on gold. So let's just give it. Let's do it on this week. Okay, thanks, Jim guy. So GBP card, wow, see range, bro, see range. Immediately I see this, I just want to avoid. But this is just the 1 minute. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Start from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, what I'm already seeing is a buy. Funny how I just like get the direction already. From weekly perspective, why is because we just tapped into this fair value gap. We just tapped into this fair value gap. The overall trend is bullish. I think even a trend line guy is going to say this it's a bullish trend now. Like obviously, that's why swing trading is kind of easy. Like if you look at it, I mean, though I don't use trend lines. I'm just trying to say that's the weekly time frame. So we have the weekly perspective already. Then we go to daily time frame. Same thing for the daily time frame. We tapped into this other block here, rejected the other block. If you were maybe if you were around that time on this beginning of this month, you would have looked for a buy inside here. Then now we're going back up. We just took out these highs. Today might come down because this is like a weak rejection week, something like that. A rejection candle. I'm not talking about like candlestick analysis or candlestick trading bible. It's just that what I've based on my experience, anytime those kind of candles form, price usually like reject, and we have one small fair value gap here. So we might see price draw down there. Although our if you want to follow the overall sorry, if you want to follow the overall trend, nothing. We have not gone into any setup yet. So this guy asking, I'm not taking any trade yet. So I'm not taking any trade yet. Sorry for the noise, guys. Just how it is. So let me continue. Oh shit. Yeah. So I said we could come down here with the daily time frame. But if you are looking to go long term, just look wait for buys. So today is Tuesday, so maybe on Wednesday it's going to tap inside here. Then you look for your change of character or shift to market structure and have your buy. Just continue buying it to around to here to this first target to take out liquidity. Okay, that's not even the first target. Eh, that might be one target. There's another target. But let's look. Let's now go. You know that we can still find a sell inside this market now, like a selling structure. Okay. Yeah, this looks nice. This looks nice. Looks nice. Sorry. Rejecting off here. You know what would look nice on GBP card is this area, if this area. Okay. Gold has triggered an alert. Sorry. Gold just triggered the alert. I have to come and check what's going on. It just triggered the alert for a buy. So what we're waiting for now is okay, we're buying inside this fair value gap. Inside this one. Let me quickly confirm higher time frames. Let me confirm because this one way the team move fast like that. Let me just confirm higher time frame and put my stop loss below here. So I'm buying there. Let me check if I have enough cash to risk because my profit they have not still restored it. I have $5,000 profit. Okay, more the movement is too much for watching. Let me calm down and see first. Let me see how this candle closes. Let me see how this candle closes. I don't want to see it close outside our fair value gap. It has 9 seconds more for it to close. 1 second. Okay, I don't like the way it closed. I don't like the way it's closed. I don't like the way it's closed. See that gap, Seth? They rush. They want to go down. I don't like the way it's closed. I don't like the way it closed at all. Golden can be such a bitch sometimes. Look at this now. Look at this. Like all this price action now. All this is just in a range sideways. Like it's just going sideways. It's not even going up. It's not going down. So there's a in some if we enter here now, it might just go up, come down, still do the same kind of rubbish movement. That's why you have to be careful with this code. If it's an upgrade now, if it's Euro USD, maybe I would have gone in. And see Euro USD, that's why we're still waiting for that confirmation. So you see it's still going up. So that's why we're not in a hurry. I would have bought here on gold, but I didn't like the way it closed below the fair value gap. You can see this is why the way candle closes are also another important thing. If I didn't know about candle close and I just learned about ICT or this smart money concept buying at fair value gap, I would have bought there and my stop loss would get hit now aggressively. But the way order flow moves, the way the orders move, the way the flow of price moves is very important. So if it came and tapped into that fair value gap slowly, I would have maybe bought it. But the way it came down and like coming to fair value gaps with force like that, it shows that there's something wrong. So that's why I avoided it. And why am I not looking for sales on gold? Basically because gold is very bullish. Right now, I think selling is quite dangerous if I don't have a proper confirmation for that sell. So I'm looking for buys. So let me see. more you guys are still here. Holy shit. My network, my Wi-Fi went down, so I'm back. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, gold is still going down. Gold is still going down. EUSD was still trying for it to give us that sell. We're still trying to get that sell. So let me go back to GBP card as requested by the guy. So we stopped at the daily time frame for GBP card. I mentioned how it was possible for us to get to this low, I mean this fair value gap. Also, how it's possible for us to I just saw this now. This is a gap. You have already tapped into it. So tapping into that gap might signify an wait. Let me mark that gap on the higher time frame. Then let's see where it forms on the lower time frame. So this is the gap on the higher time frame, but let me see where it is on the lower time frame. Okay, this is it on the lower time frame. It's nice. It looks nice because the gap is forming at exactly where this entire other block is. This whole piece of downward movement is another block. So it's forming around there. So what can we look for here now? We can look for a buy. Yeah, we can look for a buy. You can start buying here right now. But if you want a sniper entry and a smaller stop loss, you have to wait. You can start buying here like this. Then you put your take profits at that point. More than a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. But if you're looking for a sniper entry, you have to go lower to wait for confirmation. You can see all these highs, none of them are taken, none of them are taken, none of them are taken. They are all protected. They're all protected. So we're waiting for a confirmation. So if it takes out this high now, we'll enter a buy. If it doesn't take out the high and it continues going lower, maybe it wants to take out this liquidity and do small grab here. Maybe to just go there and do some grab, then wait for a shifting market structure. That will be our confirmation to buy. So simple. Yes, that's the analysis for GBP card is quite simple. So I don't know if you guys have any other. Yeah, I've been looking at EURUSD. Well done analysis on EURUSD. Let me go back to it. I like the way this GBP card, the movement is. It looks very clean. So I think I'll be trading it today if I don't see anyone that comes first. Yeah, so EURUSD, we already know that we're waiting for a sell, but we're looking for a sniper sell. Because to be safe right now, this on the lower time frame, this is kind of like a bullish structure, and price might just hit this other block here and start going up and do some kind of stuff. I don't want to go into any drawdown. So that's why I'm waiting. Yeah, so I'm waiting for things like this. I'm waiting for it like this as it's coming out. Let's see if this is a 3 minutes. If this 3 minutes can you can close. If you can close, not weak, like this is the if you can close below 50% of this other block. Yeah, if you can close below 50%, That's here. Mhm. I will be looking for a retracement on the 1 minute. Yeah, so that's what I want to see. I want to see that and see how it rush now, man. See how it rush down, right? So somebody was saying that he has already been in a cell. He has already been selling since yesterday, which is good. It's not bad, but what about if you are just joining this morning? How will you enter your own? So that's why I'm doing all this again to help those that are just coming. So we did get that close. Another crossing on goal though. Another crossing on goal. This one too is about to form. It's like all of them just want to give us set up at the same time. 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. More gold is going down. God, well, I'm going to avoid this gold for now because I don't want to be tempted to take a short sell. What I'm looking for is a buy. And if you don't want to give me that buy, forget about it. I must see clean movement on GBP. I didn't come and check here. GBP has been clean, man. Wow. Why this one is just moving slow? So one of the reasons why I have not been able to enter the sniper entry this morning is because of this range. And see, it's just going sideways, one side, like sideways. From when London session started, it just started going sideways. So that's why I've not been able to enter. Oh, no, no, just waiting, sure. Come on, I'm tired of waiting. Oh. I'm going to go in. I don't wait to tire. So it's just that my stop loss is going to be wider. If we had that sniper entry now, stop loss will not be too wide. But this is what I want to enter now. The reason why I'm entering that is because I would have also entered it on the 15 minutes, just like this. But I wanted to enter something that was like a sniper, which is more precise. But right now, I'm going to take this one like this. Although my stop loss is going to be a bit wide. Let me quickly check how much I'll be risking on my phone. Stop loss is at 1.018. I think if I even use my X next year, it will be better so that you guys can see it. So if I'm selling here, that's 4k minus my stop loss is 4,000 with the Naira account. Take profits. We'll be looking at 8,000 plus. Take profit will be here. Okay, around 9,000. This small account now, I just because these guys have not restored my profit. That's why I'm trading on this account. I'm trading small. Let me see what this boy is doing. I've not still entered the position on Euro USD. The way it's going up, I'm just watching it. This boy, this one, I'm still going to wait. I'm not going to sell. Nothing will make me sell gold now. So anything, nothing. Can see. Time was say I never enter. Just a wait. You have to wait. Be patient. That's why I'm always stressing about confirmations. Always stress about confirmation. With experience, this shit is nothing but experience, man. Nothing. I would have gone in since maybe even almost getting stopped out now. My full SL almost stopped out. Ah, Oh, patience, man. Just be patient. Don't rush anything. Don't rush anything. Especially in this industry, don't rush any shit. Don't rush anything. Or wait for your setup, wait for your time. So you can see I'm still waiting. I've not entered anything. And it's already past 9. Gold is trying to make me sell, but I'm not going to fall for your trap. I'm not going to fall for that trap right now. Because they might throw another bomb in Ukraine and it will just start going up. So I'm not going to fall for the gold trap today. I'm not going to fall for gold trap today. No, no, no. If it's not buy, I'm not doing anything. Then let me still check that GBP card that this guy suggested opener. You see what I was talking about? It's already playing out. So if that guy they active now, he's just supposed to start looking for his buys or more. See one here, one small 1 minute on here, one small 1 minute buy around exactly at 9:03. Small 1 minute buy. And I'm not too conversant with this pair, so I don't know how it moved. If it was gold now, maybe I would have entered again. I would have entered exactly here because I know gold will start rushing and before it comes back. But I'm not. I don't trade this pair, so I don't know how it moves. So it's best I should wait. If he can give me a fair value gap anywhere he wants to give me a fair value gap, I'll take it. Anywhere he wants to give that fair value gap, I'll take it. Then my stop loss will be below this low. So you still have to be patient. But the way the thing they move and you feel like you should jump and enter. I'm waiting. So with experience, I've come to know that you can scan for fair value gaps any time frame. Go to the 30 minutes. If you don't see, go to the 5 minutes. Anyone you see, just use it. There's one here on the 5 minutes now, so it's going there. So I think that's what I'll be using if it goes into it. So let's see. There might be one on the 3 minutes now, where you might not be seeing it. Is that a fair value gap? Yeah, it's a gap. It's a gap. More, but if I enter here, the stop loss will be too wide. Let me check it. Let me check the weeks. Okay, I can even check it here. GBP card. See? Now the spread with that. Jesus. God, the spread on this thing is crazy. Wow. Anyhow, let me just get that tap. I'll buy it. 2.5 on the line. Okay, this one XNet don't have 3 minutes. Now let's see the 3 minutes. Let me check it out here. Euro USD, what are you doing now? I wanted to play like Euro USD gave us back to back wins last week. So I wanted to play with it. So yeah, how do I execute now? Confirm buy, right? Just go inside small. Okay, so I'm in. My money is in now, guys. Money is in now. SL in place. Stop loss, take profit in place. There's nothing to be worried about once you have those two in place. But the spread on this thing is crazy. Like the spread on this card is crazy. On GBP card is wide. So hopefully this is not a manipulation. Hopefully it's not a manipulation because I'm not used to this pair. Not used to this pair at all. Just putting my money on the line. Not used to this pair. I don't know how it moves. So I just hope because there are so many things that can make price come down. That's as a trader, you have to accept those things. You have to accept those risks. So many things. There's this Beverly Gap. Right now, I just want to close this chat. I don't even want to watch it again because I feel like it's going to go down and hit because I'm not conversant with this pair. So let me look at something that I'm used to. Euro USD. So since I have my stop loss there, anything that happens, let it happen. Yeah, anything that happens, let it happen. The money I made yesterday, everything is still intact. So it will just be eating from my profits I made yesterday because yesterday's win was a banger. Are you trying to say I should check Euro USD on 3 minutes? Okay, this Euro USD on 3 minutes. You know, USD is just playing around with us for some time now because we are trying to catch that sell at this other block, but he doesn't want to give the sell. He's giving the sell actually, but I'm looking for a sniper. That means is a 1 minute structure that can take it down. Or else I would have started selling there since. It's already past 9, guys. So I think I'm done for today. Done for today. Let's just see how everything goes. USD is what I'm still very interested in. I want to see that structure. I'm still interested in taking that up. Now we all. If you can come to my DM WhatsApp, let me drop my WhatsApp number again in case you need any guidance because I'm tired of looking at the chat right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's my WhatsApp number. So or you can come to my DM WhatsApp unless because I'm not watching. It's already past 9. Make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed. And there's one bell icon there. You tap on the bell icon, you'll get notified anytime I drop new videos or if anytime I start a live stream, even though it's not in the morning. and you'll get notified, because there was this BTC move. I think I didn't take it to yeah, I took it, but I didn't do a live stream on it. So if you guys are subscribed and you hit the bell icon, you'll be able to get notified, and share with your friends as well. Share the link. You can still watch the video after the live stream. It's still going to be available on YouTube. You can still watch it and learn from it. You understand? So I'll see you guys tomorrow or in my DM on WhatsApp.